Okay, so these videos are only 15 minutes long, so I ran out of time. But here's part two of the album cover. So, so now after you were finished painting in the edges, and we do that so that you don't get this halo effect. He's like, why is that? What is that line? Oh, it's just a halo because it's showing a little bit of the image. Okay, so I'm gonna do select all to select the entire mask that we created. Edit, copy to copy the mask. I'm going to hide it. I'm going to select the image, the color image, layer, and then I'm going to go to layer, raster mask, but the rasters are for photos. Add, and it creates this little extra window here on the side of the image. I'm going to go edit, paste, and that gets rid of, you can look at that to get rid of the background. Okay, that's great. So now let's see where the effect, I'm going to use a layer blending mode on this effect. I'm going to make this, let's try screen. Doesn't seem like much of anything. I can put it in behind her. Let's see what that does. I'm going to move it up. That's nothing special. You know what? I can do two things. I'm going to darken the background. So I'm going to go to image adjustment levels, and I'm going to darken the background a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to increase the contrast on my special effect. So I'm going to go image adjustment levels, increase the whites, and I increase the blacks, increase the whites, increasing the intensity. Okay. Now, now let me see if I can scale it. Now, last time I think what happened is that I ran out of, I wasn't scrolling down enough. That's why I wouldn't, like, how come I can't find it? Oh, because I didn't scroll down in my, so you go to edit, free transform, and then I'm going to hold the shift and scale it a little bigger. Maybe I want more of an effect. Hit enter. And then with my move tool, I'm gonna move it, make it look like a halo, like she's some sort of a god or something. There you go. So, okay, now we need the name of the artist. So I'm going to click on the type tool, draw a rectangle where I want the name of the artist to be. And I'm going to type in Helen Mirren. And I'm going to, let's see, do I need to highlight it? Let's make it 200 and see what happens. Okay. Now, let's look for a font. Let's see, that's kind of boring what we have there. So let's look for something exciting. Don't want to make stuff look boring. Let's see, what would fit her? What is this? It's a little too big, so we need to make it a little smaller. Okay. And 50. Let's make it 60 or 70 or 80. There, let's see what it looks like. Nah, I don't like it. So let me change it. See what else we can find. Where's my, okay, let's see. Find something that, what's this one? Okay, that's interesting. I like that one. Let's see, can I make it bigger? 200. Too bad it doesn't give me a sliding, like I want to slide it more, but it doesn't do that. 220, 250, too big. 240, that's too much. There, perfect. I like it. Like now the color. Let's see. I like the look of that font. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color of the font. Click on the type tool. Here's the color. So what would be a good color for it? We got the blues going on. Let's see, stick a blue on there because I see a lot of blue, dark blue. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, I like it. I like it. And now we need the name of the album cover. You know, what's the music about? So I'm going to do, maybe we can just copy and paste this one. I'm going to duplicate this layer. Right click on the type duplicate. Move it down here. I'm going to actually move it in front of her. In front of her right there. And I'm going to make it a little smaller because I'm going to have a longer title. Let's make it 100. And let's see, what should I call it? I don't know. River country. River, because I see a river or lake, I don't know. Country music. And then, can I make this bigger? Let's see, I'm going to highlight it. They never give you enough. And then you probably do too much. Okay, that's good enough. I'm going to center it right there. Now, some of it gets lost, right? Move it up here so it doesn't get lost right there. Okay, I think I got everything. I think I got my background, my artist, the special effect, and titles. The titles you have to type. You cannot, I don't want you using images because I want you to learn how to use the type and fonts. And I think that's it. It looks pretty good. I love it. Looks good, looks good. Okay, so I'm going to save it. File, save as Photoshop document. It's going to download it there, and you can upload that file into your Google Classroom. All right. So I think that's it. So that's it. Bye.